Making money online was always very hard. Few years ago, people had very less information on how people actually earn money online. But now, time has changed. People can easily search for how to make money online and they can get a bunch of ideas on it. So the biggest gap, which was knowledge, is filled now. But the new problem which you will be facing would be feeling confused, getting outdated or fake strategies, and lots of trust issues. Because nowadays everyone is giving make money advice. And it is very hard to tell that which influencer or YouTuber is giving right information. And majority of the time, these influencers and YouTubers give half information, which creates a lot of confusion and trust issues when you start doing that side hustle. But the interesting part is these are not the main problem for you. Yes, making money online is harder than it was few years ago, not because opportunities disappeared, but because money is flowing towards those people who are providing real value. Let me explain. If you're still searching for those easy money hack like clipping, website surveys, earning from simple blog AdSense, or any type of method which promises easy money, then you need to be careful now. I also wanted to earn money online because I was seeing many influencers doing it. I searched it on YouTube and I started with digital product. But after doing it for a few months, I got to know that making digital product is not the hard part, but selling it was the main game which no one was talking about. Again, I searched on YouTube and I found blogging. Again, I did it for a few months, made my website, did whole technical part, which was very hard. And after when I was not getting any clicks on my blogs, I got to know that AI has completely changed the blogging. People now prefer ChatGPT and Claude for getting their problem solved rather than searching it on Google. And also, Google has its own AI overview, which also killed many blogs. So after doing it for many months, I got to know that the advice I was following was outdated and it again took my so many time. But I also learned many things in this process, so I'm not blaming it for that. So the main problem in this money making industry is that these influencers and YouTubers sells only half information about any side hustle. They hide the main work, the main hustle behind it, and only give fake hope that you can make 10K a month just by doing bare minimum effort by purchasing their course. But that does not mean you can't earn money online. Of course you can, but not in that way that these people says. YouTube creators are still somewhere okay, but these Instagram gurus, God save us from them. And why I am saying this? Because after trying so many side hustles and wasting my so much time, I finally know how things actually work. So if you really want to make money online, first of all, you need to understand the basics of market. And there are only three ways to earn money online. No matter which platform or method you pick, it always fall into one of these. First, you sell a product, something physical or digital, either something you made yourself or someone else's product. This covers dropshipping, digital product, Amazon KDP, or even affiliate marketing. Because in affiliate marketing, you are still selling someone else's product, just earning commission instead of full profit. Second is you sell your skill or time. Someone pays you directly to work for them. This is a service, not a product. Freelancing, agency work, consulting, social media manager, all of this falls here. You are not selling a thing, you are selling your ability to do something. Third is you sell attention. Yes, this comes under selling. Once you build an audience, the attention itself becomes valuable. Brand pays you, you get sponsorship, platform pays you when you share your videos or reels. You will get ad revenue for keeping people watching YouTube ads or Facebook ads. And again, you can promote someone else's product in your content by your affiliate links. I'm not counting any investing or crypto in it because that's not our focus right now. I'm not here just to give you a side hustle and leave. No. My motive is to explain you how things actually work so that you can understand which side hustle can work, which one is just a waste of time. Every single side hustles you have ever heard of, blogging, YouTube, freelancing, digital product, dropshipping, they're just a mix of these 3 points. Once you understand this, you will stop chasing that one method that work and you will start understanding why something really work and why it stopped working for you. To earn real money, you have to pick those business models which are already working or have the potential to make you money, like content creation, UGC, AI services, freelancing. And even if you want to sell something, you need to build an audience first to see your content, have interest in your product, and then buy. It goes with everything. Either you are selling your own product or you are promoting someone else's product. You still need an audience. And you will do it by making content, building an audience first. And then the selling part comes, not in the beginning. People on internet just pick a random side hustle, claims that you can easily earn from it and buy an iPhone or iPad. And the irony is these people are not earning from these side hustles which they are recommending. Their real earning source is that video which you are seeing and they're getting views and attention from it. Or maybe they are promoting some software or maybe they are promoting their own course in that video. That's their real earning, not from that side hustle which they told you. The faster you understand this, it would become much easier for you to pick a side hustle and work on it without any confusion or any fake hope from it that you can earn overnight or in 7 days or within a month from it. Real businesses take time to show some result. If you try it and you not get any result in 1 to 2 months, you will quit it. Not because you are lazy. I know that. You are dedicated to earn money online. But because of those influencers and YouTubers who gave you fake hope and expectation that you can earn within 1 to 2 months. And that is the main reason why online money feels hard. But the simple solution to this is nothing happens overnight or within a month. The successful people you are seeing right now who are earning have spent years in struggling. Then only they are able to earn money online today. And you already know this. So if you keep working consistently with the right strategy for a long period of time, then you will see some result and eventually you will start earning from it. I have already gone through these things. That's why I'm trying to help you to find the real way. So if you want more awareness related to these topics, subscribe. Also like if you learned something from this video. And I will see you guys in the next one.